Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first we should go to the notification bar, and now just launch the screen recorder settings. Just to do that, hold for a while the application and you will launch the screen recorder. Here on the right side of your right upper corner of the application, you'll see the settings icon. Just tap here on the icon, and now as can you see, you get here the video quality. Just tap there, and as can you see, we can change your video quality to the highest or to the lower just by this way. Just tap to the quality what you want to choose, for example the 8 megabits per second, or also to the highest one. And as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.